Hey guys, so today I'm going to give a quick update and walk through Joygram and what it is. At its core, Joygram lets you create cool cards like this one. This is for Mother's Day. Here's another one for, your special someone, for an anniversary, your best friend. Here's another one, classic for a birthday. This one is more for, traditional for your special someone, girlfriend, boyfriend, or an anniversary. It lets you create interactive cards like this basically in like 30 seconds, where all you do is you specify, go through the builder, which will go through it and do a live example, specify exactly who you want to make this for, what occasion, add your photos, and then it will create the card for you. And then it has cool scratched interactive elements, and then from there it will show you the card. So I want to demonstrate something new today that I've been working on, and then we'll go through an example of how this works. So this is a new feature, which is a scrapbook. So now you could create scrapbooks in Joygram like these. Again, this is completely free. So let's go through this together, and let's do a live demo. So first thing you want to do, you don't even need to make an account, but here I'm already logged in. All you need to do is come in and just click build a card. And now let's say who is this for. So let's just say this is for Sarah. Say Michael is a name. And then from there, let's just say this is a birthday. Say this is best friend. And then from there, we'll go to next. From here, all we'll do is add our photos. So here are 8 random photos. I leverage it obviously just for the demo. But you get the point. You add your real photos in there. And this, basically you have 2 options. You could either choose the standard card, which I showed in the beginning, which has these cool openings. This is a very popular opening, the surprise box. Obviously the classic gift box. There's also a slot machine, flowers, and then more that you'll see on the next page. Or you could have the scrapbook. So the scrapbook is something like this, where there's a default scrapbook based theme. And so we'll just choose the scrapbook. From there, all you do is you press create, you press next. And from here, the AI is literally about to create your scrapbook for you. So it's going to take your uploaded photos. It's going to take the name of the person you wanted to create, what the occasion is, write a poem, and then style the whole scrapbook and place the images accordingly based on the poem it generates. So this step takes about 15 to 30 seconds. So let's just let this complete, and then let's see the scrapbook. Okay, cool. So this is done, and the scrapbook, the poem itself is now made, and the scrapbook pages are complete, where the AI has actually placed all the photos and the text. You could come in here and you could edit each of these pages. So you could edit the entire text. You could even come in here and say, this picture, it didn't capture the part that you wanted. You could crop it out, and you could edit it accordingly, and of course you could change your text and add more photos. And then let's just assume we're okay with this. From here, you could either upload your own song, or you could, choose one of the preset songs that I have on the app. Let's just choose this song, and then from there, we'll go to next. And then from here, all you do is you specify who you want to send this to. So let's just say, example@gmail.com. And then from here, you specify the URL. So from here, let's just say our URL is example scrapbook 42. So let's go ahead and view this card. So there you go. This is it. So now if you actually added the recipient's email in that previous step, they would get an email, pretty much immediately saying, they have a Joygram waiting for them. And once they open the link in that email, this is what it will pop them through. So let's just take a look at how this looks. So you have a cool little page flip. You have all the text, and then you have the images, and then you have the other images and the text, and then you have that final thing. So the cool thing is you could add up to 15 images within the scrapbook, and more images, more video, audio, stuff like that coming soon. But this is really the core. So again, this literally only took 30 seconds to make. You can spend as much time as you want on it with customizing the card and all of that sort of stuff. That's basically it. You could then come back to your dashboard and you can see all the cards that you've made here, edit them, share them with whoever you want, and make more. Again, this is all completely free. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and keep having fun with the app, and I'm looking forward to add more additions. Thank you.